Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Container gardening with flowers offers a fantastic opportunity to infuse color and beauty into your outdoor space, no matter how limited it be. A range of flowers are ideally suited for container cultivation. For instance, petunias are versatile annuals that can cascade gracefully over the edges of pots, while geraniums, known for their vibrant blossoms, thrive in containers and withstand hot, sunny conditions. Marigolds are another popular choice, providing cheerful blooms throughout the summer, and pansies offer a burst of color in color seasons with their charming face-like appearance. Lavender, in addition to its aesthetic appeal, fills the air with a soothing fragrance. Meanwhile, dahlias, bonangia, salvia, zinnias, and Jalaburja offer various shapes, sizes, and colors to cater different tastes. To succeed with container gardening, it's crucial to select appropriately sized pots, use quality potted soil, and ensure proper drainage. Regular watering, fertilization, and consideration of each flavor sunlight requirements will help your container garden thrive, transforming your outdoor space into a vibrant and inviting oasis. Additionally, when creating a container garden with flowers, pay attention to the positioning of repose to provide the right amount of sunlight. Each variety needs to be flourished. Grouping container with similar light requirements can be a practical strategy. Proper care and maintenance, including deadheading, spent blossom, and occasional pruning, will encourage continuous flower and a lush, vibrant display throughout the growing season. Container gardening with flowers not only enhances your outdoor area's visual appeal but also provides a rewarding and enjoyable garden experience. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.